Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. Right. I have progress. What's this? It's good news because today we have an internet. We have a Wi-Fi. It's been installed this morning, and that was good because yesterday they just put the line from the pole, from the post, and through over my location, which is the house that I am renting now. And yeah, so this is it. And yeah, I'm glad that I have finally a Wi-Fi because when I am upload the video, it takes a while, long time before I can finish be a load only. So right, so yeah, everything it's went well, and actually they're just so fast to install. And yeah, it came from that's outside, and then the line they have to put over there and through over here, and they still have to use my modem, the same modem that I have there from the recent house. So yeah, everything is installed. Yeah, so yep, I'm so glad that is finished. It's already there, and I don't worry about the connection anymore. Right, so actually uh, this is the box that they put yesterday. Yeah, so this is a porch, which is we do a stock room here. And yeah, my flowers, some flowers here, and I still have clothes here. So yeah, in my aircon. So this is the Pldt they have to the what's this I installed yesterday, the box. And yeah, it's connecting from the post over there. But I don't know how many posts that they are from the slot available. So yeah. So guys, I am excited and I'm happy that finally I have internet connection. And yep, everything is good. Everything it's went well. So yep, I don't know what happened. This where is this came from? The water. Right guys, so I'm happy, and it's in progress now. The my connection, I'll lock it later. We have a double lock here. I have our own gate before the door, so I have to lock it later. Yeah. So yeah. Hey, hey, how are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? And look at this. This the whole bedroom is a big bedroom, but there's only one slot socket for the electricity. So what I did, I have to connect the extension, and I have to put the duct tape, yeah, through here and move over there. Yes, and everything here is I'll buy the extension, the long extension. So yeah, as you can see, I already install everything, and here's another extension. So yep, and yes, everything now. So I'm happy that I have an internet. Yeah, okay guys, so yep, that's all it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time.